In the darkness of underground mines, danger was invisible. There were no sensors, no alarms, and no warnings. Instead, miners relied on something fragile, a small yellow bird. This is a story of why miners used canaries and what they were really listening for. Coal mining was once one of the most dangerous jobs on Earth. Miners worked hundreds of feet below ground, surrounded by rock, dust, and invisible gases. One spark, one buildup of gas, and the entire tunnel will become deadly. The greatest danger wasn't collapse, it was air. Carbon monoxide and methane were common in mines, odorless, colorless, and lethal. Carbon monoxide binds to blood more efficiently than oxygen, and by the time humans feel symptoms, it was often too late. Canaries are extremely sensitive to toxic gases. Their fast metabolism and delicate respiratory systems meant they reacted first. If a canary became distressed or stopped singing, miners knew the air was no longer safe. The canary wasn't there by accident. It was a living, early warning system. Miners had minutes, sometimes seconds, to escape. It saved so many lives.